Apocalypse AK, wired down to 0.33 6 order, 1-to-2 ratio.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Waiting on one more amp though.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Joy Mason. I got 3 ZB515s. I got the Apocalypse AK, wired down to 0.33 6 order, 1-to-2 ratio.
Okay. What's that tuned to?
The top is 45 and the bottom is 34.
Okay. All right.
Right now, me being wired down so low, I'm actually waiting on another AK.
Okay.
So I can strap them and be at 6 point.
Yes, sir. All right. Sure. Play what you want, man.
But now, yeah, you know, last time I had the Terra 12 cage.
Yep. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now I'm on the Apocalypse AAK 8000.
Yep. I'm gonna go see the amp in the back. Is that all right?
I'll let the window down.
Okay.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Joey's system. He made it to the show, had a couple of technical issues, but he made it work at the Savannah Seaport show in 2021. At Savannah, Georgia was where this show was at. Go ahead, if you haven't already, comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I like the way he has his amplifier staged in the back with his lithium bank underneath. Of course, his amplifiers ran to 0.33 ohm. Very dangerous to run an amplifier this low of an impedance. A lot of people I see do it, especially on a burp case scenario, to get the most out of their amplifier for the Korean line. This is the DefBonce Apocalypse AAK 8000. But he had some amplifier issues. It was cutting out in the middle of the demo. You'll see in a minute. Last thing is his enclosure is a 6th order bandpass enclosure. You can see behind the 3rd sub here. It's going to be a little hard to notice, but there is an actual port behind that 3rd subwoofer. And him having a 3 sub variation, he was able to wire his impedance down like it was. Normally a 2 sub variation would be at half ohm or a 1 ohm load, but having that 3rd sub actually altered his wiring down a little lower. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and enjoy.
The head unit cuts off for the USB?
Yeah. From the vibration.
Yeah.
It just started out. When I
You're
switched
getting loud, it happens. That's weird.
Yeah.
Did it just cut on?
Well, I turned it off and cut it back on.
Oh, okay.
For some reason it didn't protect it. For some reason the light wasn't on, but it's still.
Do you have anything in place with a lower? You can play like quarter
See
bar?
what it is right now. Me being wired down so low. I'm actually waiting on another AK.
Okay.
So I can strap them and be at 6 point.
Yes, sir. All right. Sure. Play what you want, man.
But now, yeah, you know, last time I had the Terra 12 cage.
Yep. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now I'm on the Apocalypse AAK 8000.
Yep.
summer, son of a bitch. One time with my mama, tats on my back, tats on my face. Bitch, I'm a dog.
Uh-oh.
Keep my USBs out of the
Uh-oh.
Keep my USBs out of the
We're good, man. Don't worry about it. Yeah. What's happened is this is probably popping from so much bass. You get so loud and then you have USB issues. I understand. I have the same issue. Thanks for the demo.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you again. I'm going to go see the amp in the back. Is that all right?
I'll let the window down.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.